Hello. Here's some aviation engines. Radial out of a helicopter. The engine is a Wright 1300. Same engine used in that. Look at this monster. Look at the cylinders. Huge. Yeah, that's the size of a coffee can, all right. I think this is a jet. It's a jet engine, turbojet. I don't know. Another one. All right, 1820 used on the Trojan, B-17, Albatross. You know, etc., etc., etc. Wildcat, DC-3. Another radial, very nice looking. Here's a Wright 1820. Big pipe. Look at the size of that pipe. Huge. Well, this could be made running if they can get rid of all the rust and fix it up and, you know, test it. That'd be so cool if that ran. I know. It's got a lot of magnetos. Very nice engine. We'll do a back shot. That's all the exhaust collector. See? Whee! Very nice engine. Very nice. Oh, I just heard a plane start up. And in the back, I think that's a Wright Cyclone R2600 or Pratt Whitney. It's probably it. And to the left of it, to the right, I mean, is a Wright R1800, which they moved from over there. And yeah, and that's pretty well it. So I'll stand back. I want to get this engine in the shop before I close. See if I can get them all in there. Oh, sun's in the eyes. Yeah, I can do probably about there. Yeah, that's perfect. Okay, now it's aviation, so take care and have a nice day.